everybody, amprepairguy.com, also harbackelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So, got a Alpha 77 DX/SX 2-tuber. Won't be working on that this week, probably the week after or so. I have a bunch of amps coming this coming week, and I've been getting a lot of Harbach orders. Orders. Thank you for that. I appreciate that, and I get those out within a business day, so I don't have to wait. So anyway, so I wanted to get some more work done on this, so I'm gonna have to put it aside for a while. Once I get on a roll, once I get close to the end, I get really excited and I just keep wanting to work on it. So it's raining here today, nothing else to do anyway. So got the diodes installed. 24 diodes per string for the full wave bridge rectifier. Diodes on both sides of the board. So yeah, these resistors, you don't need those anymore nowadays, but it has the metal oxide varistors. It's in there real good. It's not going anywhere. Again, I said before in other videos, I always have the proper clearance. Everything is spec'd out, and everything fit. Series switch resistors. Series fuse for the B positive. The one for the transformer secondary will be housed in the power supply cabinet. Got the motor on cap. Just have to wire it up. Cap for the blower, for the delay off. And that's about it. This is going to be a really quick video. So. I don't leave things to chance. Everything is done right the first time. So it's off, so air will be drawn in through the front panel. Passed by the clutch resistors. I'm going to show the blower. I'm going to position it and put it down halfway so you can see how I have plenty of clearance between the diode assembly and everything else, and it's going to pull air cool air right by the diode, so everything's going to get nice, fresh, cool air, including the capacitors. But hey, so I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab that. See you in a second. Okay, so get the blower, get all of that clearance. Drop it down. Isn't near anything. Pretty sweet, huh? So, say again. So everything's gonna stay nice and cool. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to go relax. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and I will see you guys next week with some amp repair stuff. I'm going to put these ones on. Like I said before, there were a couple that were just, they're just 811, so the customers didn't really care if they were on, so it's getting kind of repetitive, but I will have some more of those next week, and the customers want those on, so it's up to you. No charge to put it on, but some people don't really care. Some people want it. So, okay, I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Please like, share. One more look. This was a lot of work. Just a lot of work. Next will be wiring stuff. Okay, 73.